So guys, I bring you sure updates, but note that I am not a financial advisor. This video is strictly for educational purposes. Right now, when you sign into this platform, you'll be given a free amount of money. Now, this is a platform I have tested and has worked for me and actually has been paying for a long period of time. You don't have to invest on this platform. So I'll be taking you through on how this platform works, and you don't have to do much. All you just have to do is to follow my guide on this video and you're going to be getting exact result. Now, before we proceed with this video, if you're coming across this channel for the first time, this is Cash Value, and what we do on this platform is that we explain and show you ways which you can actually earn online. And if this sounds like what you're interested in, please do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch. So without no further ado, let's dive into today's tutorial. And so guys, for you to be able to start up with this platform, you need to set up an account for yourself. Once you click the first link on the pinned comment section, it's going to bring you over to this interface where you have to input your mobile number. Now you can actually use the +234 to set up an account for yourself, or better still, remove the first zero of your mobile number, put in a password. I recommend you put in a password you will always remember, then come down here to enter that same password, then come down to click on register. Then automatically your account will be created right on this platform. Now I'm just going to log in so you can see how this platform works. So once you log into this platform, or you have created your account on this platform, you're going to be given 388 naira as your balance. That is about close to 400 naira. Now what you mostly do on this platform is not much. What you just have to do is to link your WhatsApp to this platform and you start earning every single day. Right now it says log in and link your WhatsApp on this platform. Now what you just want to do to link your WhatsApp on this platform is to come down to where it says WhatsApp link tags. Okay, so once you click on start tags, it's going to direct you over to where you can actually see how you can actually link your WhatsApp to this platform. It's going to show you exactly what I'm about showing you right in this video. Okay, so it's going to explain details of what you need to know about this platform, but right now let me quickly show you what you need to do to link your WhatsApp to this platform. Now once you click on that, it's going to direct you over to this interface. Now it says bind your WhatsApp. What you just have to do is to come down to where it says only active WhatsApp mobile users can claim tax. Now you just have to put in your WhatsApp mobile number right here. You can actually see this +1. You can just click on it and you're going to be changing your country, whichever country that you're actually based on. Okay, and so many people have actually made a complaint about me making videos only for the Nigerians or those earning in naira. Okay, so right now you can actually see that there are several countries right in this platform which you can actually use. For the fact you actually have a WhatsApp on your phone, you're going to be using this particular platform to earn every single day right in this platform. Okay, so right now what you just have to do is to look for your country. Right now this is +234, which is Nigeria. So once you click on that, the next thing you want to do is to input your WhatsApp number over to this platform. Okay, so right now let me input my WhatsApp number and I'm going to show you what next you should do. Once you have actually inserted your WhatsApp number, as you can see the way it's written, I actually removed the first zero from my number, so you just have to click on get verification code. You can actually see that this automatically came by itself. Okay, so now this verification code has actually automatically appeared right on the screen. So the next thing you want to do right now is to bind your WhatsApp number to this platform. And so right now all you just want to do is to copy this code that has been generated from this platform and go back to your WhatsApp on your own mobile device. So you just come over to link device. Once you come over to link device, this will automatically link by itself. Okay, let's go back, click on link device, come over here, then link with mobile number. Now you just have to come right here and paste that code we actually got from this platform. Okay, so once you have actually pasted this code, it's going to take you for some, it's going to take some minutes from you and it's going to link up with that platform. Okay, so you don't have to do anything on this platform. And so when you come back to your account, you can actually see the WhatsApp number I used in linking to this platform. As you can see right now that I have 0 points, waiting time is 0, the mark is 0. So all these details are 0 because I just linked this particular WhatsApp number to this platform. Now what you just have to do is to link your WhatsApp number to this platform and you're going to be getting some generated income every single day. Now note that it will be advisable you use a WhatsApp number you are not actively using, so you can actually link that WhatsApp number to this platform and it's going to generate you income every single day. Now when you come over to start tax that says complete tax and receive 500 points each tax, Now you can actually invite your subordinate and receive 20% of commission on this platform. Now there are also other means on this platform you can use to generate income for yourself. When you move over to promotion, you can actually see that you can invite your friends to make money on this platform. Now every time you invite a friend, you get a commission reward, and the friend will become a first level friend, and there is no limit to circle of inviting friends. Start making money now. The more invitations you have, the more you will earn on this platform. Now these are the details you will use to share with your friends, and you're going to be getting commissions instantly on this platform. Now when you come over to service, you can actually see that you can contact their customer service online through WhatsApp, through Telegram, if you have issues on your account. Now you can actually see that my available balance right now is 438 points. Right now you can actually see that you can exchange these rates, and you can see that you can withdraw using the USDT, you can withdraw using the NGN, which is your Naira currency, you can withdraw using your TRX and other means of withdrawal right on this platform. Now once you have actually accumulated earnings on this platform and you want to place withdrawal, just come over to account withdrawal. You can actually see that you can withdraw using your Naira. Just come down here and input your details, then place withdrawal. Also take note that the minimum withdrawal on this platform is 1000 points, and you can only withdraw 3 times a day. Please check carefully whether the information you enter is correctly before you place withdrawal on this platform. Okay, so these are what you just have to do on this platform and start earning every single day. You don't have to invest, you just have to connect your WhatsApp to this platform and start earning every single day on this platform. So this is all you have to do on this platform and get income every single day while using your WhatsApp. Guys, this is just an active update which you can start right now. All you just need to do is to link your WhatsApp and start earning on this platform. Just follow the process, link your WhatsApp and see your earnings grow every single day on this platform. And so thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got value from it, and if you did, please do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. See you on my next video and keep winning.